What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati. One more time with another fresh one. Today I will be performing a medium skin fit, number 4 on top. I'm excited. I haven't recorded a video in a few days now. I'm excited. The customer's excited. Everybody's in here is excited. Shout out to Cuss from Custom at Barber Shop in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? Cortez the Barber helping me with the camera. I'm all worked up. Let's go! If you're new to the channel, I'm recommending that you subscribe right now. If you're already a subscriber, I appreciate you for supporting the Barber Illuminati, the all detachable blade movement. Thank you, sir. Now I'm going to take it from there. Thank you, sir, for helping. That was Cortez behind the camera, and now the Barber Illuminati is in charge. Barber Illuminati. All right. Okay, I'm going to adjust the lights quickly. All right. Oh my God, this fade is gonna be awesome. All right. All right. Okay. The show must go on. Yep. What's going on right now is a little self-explanatory. Mr. Greg.
Yes, sir.
Do your thing, but I'm recording.
Okay.
What I'm doing here is very self-explanatory, so I won't say too much about that. Shout out to Ezo the Barber out of Zion, Illinois. What's up? Shout out to Mr. G's. He's a YouTuber, upcoming YouTuber. Shout out to Angelic Cuts with a Z. By the way, one of you guys asked me about Angelic Cuts. What's his IG or YouTube? Is Angelic Cut with a Z. Just the way I say it. Barber Illuminati. All right? Mr. Greg, I ain't tell you to stop ducking now.
Yeah.
Just consider me, that's all.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
Hey, no big deal. Hey, go ahead and continue on with your conversation, sir. Only consider me, that's all.
Yes, sir.
Boom. All right, before I move on with the blend, I'm gonna take a minute to blend in the sideburn a little bit. The beard will not be included on the haircut. That's not the type of show for now. We're just gonna do the haircut and move on. The channel is growing. I'm excited. I'm looking forward to reach my 1,000 subscriber. Sometime next week. Sir. Sometime next week. I'm excited about that. I'm working hard so I can reach my my goal. I'm very excited about that. By the way, feel free to look me up on IG. Barber Illuminati is the name. Somehow, somewhere, some people will ask you for the name. It's Barber Illuminati. That's it. Thank you for looking me up. I want my IG account to grow as well. Some of you guys follow me on IG. I will be going live. I'm going to make a habit of going live. But I'm waiting to reach my 1,000 subscribers. That's why I haven't gone live yet. But you never know. I might go live tomorrow. I thought he wasn't doing the beard. Okay.
No, he won't.
Okay. Shave it off. That's what Hosted Barber did the last time. Okay. All right, IG. I'll be right back. Sir, you want to shave off the beard like you did the last time?
No, I don't want to shave it off.
Done. Good. Just line it up real good and let it take a look. If you want to, and on the left, that's it. Done. Okay. All right. All right, YouTube, I'm back. Keep in mind, I'm still at work. I'm a full-time barber instructor at Marvelous Beauty and Barber School. So from time to time, I have to walk away from the camera, but it's all good. I do it all the time. All right, I'm zooming in a little bit to make sure you guys have the full extent of this haircut here. This is my OA guideline coming up. Keep in mind, the rest of the haircut has already been completed. I just leave this portion here to share my all detachable blade fitting techniques with you guys. Nothing more, nothing less. That's what this channel is all about. To share my all detachable blade techniques with you guys. Alright, that was my OA. Then the 000 at an angle under it. At an angle, 000, get in there. By the way, I appreciate you guys interacting with me regularly. You guys let me know what's going on with you. For those of you guys who are in school, I encourage you to continue to be a student and commit yourself to complete the program and learn as much as you can. So I realize I have a lot of barber student followers, which is good. You guys are the ones that's going to find the most value in the channel. By the way, this is my 50, below the 000. The students will find the most value, I think, in the channel. But also, I have a lot of veteran barbers as well. People that have been cutting hair for like 20 years, sending me message saying thank you, that they learned a lot. So either way, whatever avenue, however amount of experience that you have, I think you guys all find value in this channel, Barber Illuminati. Alright? This is my TL liner, working at the bottom line. Then I'm going to move on. Oh, by the way, I just put my all detachable blade barber kit together. I have it on sale for $500. It includes the 50. As a matter of fact, no, I'm not going to describe it because I'm going to do a video about it as soon as I have a chance. So, as soon as I have a chance, I will be doing a video on my all detachable blade kits that you guys have been asking me about. So I'm going to see, I'm going to put it on camera, do a video about it. If anybody's interested, contact me. I will charge you and then I'll ship it to you. My website is under construction. As of now, you cannot shop at barberilluminati.com yet. It's under construction, so you can reach out to me. I'm going to show you on camera what the kit look like. Reach out to me, you make your payment, then I'll ship your kit to you the same day. Done. Barber Illuminati. I almost described what's on the kit, but no, I won't do that because I'm going to be showing it to you guys real soon. Alright, I just put my OA down. As you can see, I have a habit of repeating the steps from time to time. This time, this is the time that I do it. So, this is my 000 fitting into the OA that I just put down. Barber Illuminati. Then the 50. Boom. All right. I'm going to move on to the 3.5. Keep in mind I have a number 4 on top. So I'm going to use my 3.5 to work out that bow, the 2, the 1.5 and below. Let's go. This video is going to be quick and sweet. Okay. This is my 3.5. Get in there. I keep everything at an angle, so I want them to merge together. I already have a number 4 on top, so my 3.5 merging with my 4 on top. But I usually keep everything at an angle, so they can merge together. So now I'm moving on to my 2 blade at an angle below the 3.5. I'm telling you, all detachable blade haircuts are easy. But don't call yourself doing a few all detachable blade haircuts thinking you got it. No, you got to do thousands of them, hundreds of them, whatever it takes. And for you to become an expert in all detachable blades, you cannot just do a few and move on. Ooh, you have to commit yourself. All detachable blades is a movement. It ain't something that you do casually. No. All right, I just put my number 2 down. This is my 1.5. Below it, in the same manner, slightly lower. One and a half at an angle. Boom. And the 1/8 coming up below the 1.5. This is the 1 below the 1/8. Then the 0.8. At an angle. Boom. Now I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same steps, starting with the number 2 blade. This time I'm going to be leaving the 3.5 out of it. I don't think it's necessary. Yep, this is number 2 at an angle. Boom. Now 1.5 coming up below the number 2. Here we go. 1.5. Then the 1/8 below the 1.5. The 1. The 0.8. Emmanuel, did you put the razor on them? Yeah. Okay. All right. Huh? Yeah, you're looking good. Hey, give me a moment, okay? This is the 0.8 below the 1. And a tad bit of the 000, then we're gonna wrap this up. Boom. All right. The other side of the haircut has already been completed. I'm gonna touch up the C cup with my Parker heavy duty razor. Then we're gonna move on. Boom. All right. Now I owe you guys a spin. Oh man, that should be fade of the year. I see one small little flaw that I had to correct it quickly. No big deal. However, it's slightly dark over here. I'm gonna see if I can do something about it, which I can. This is number 2, right about this way. There's some anatomy involved. Boom. All right. All right. At this point, I owe you guys a spin. I'm going to adjust the camera a little bit, do a quick spin, and show you guys the entire work. Then we're going to move on. So far, I'm loving this fade. Yep. All right, YouTube, this is the cut. We're going to do a quick spin, and we're going to get out of here. Maybe have lunch or something, you know? All right. Let me go this way. Wow. This is incredible. Wow. This is amazing. Wow, look at this. All detachable blade. Wow, look at this. Wow. This is amazing. Wow. Incredible work. Wow. You see? Ladies and gentlemen, all things are possible with all detachable blades. Stop playing. All right, if you watch the video all the way this far, you are truly a true fan. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Also, feel free to look me up on Instagram, Barber Illuminati.